Welcome back, all my legendary traders and entrepreneurs. Today's video is not the easiest one to make, but it's the one that I want to show everybody about the trading journey, at least my journey, that it's not always just a straight way to success, all right? So today's video, I'll be talking about my $50,000 live account. If you guys been following me, it's been about a month, but I'm going to document and show you guys what happened with my trading account and show you guys why I lost it and also the mistakes that I've made so you guys can become a better and successful trader, okay? So let me go straight to my account. So I lost the account probably a couple of weeks ago. The crazy thing was right when I entered my first trade on my funded account, my first trade lost, which is crazy. And it's just a coincidence. So I think I lost it on, let me see, it tells you here. So I lost it on the 16th, so about a week ago. And it was such a rough journey. The reason being too is that my trading strategy, sometimes I need to hold over the weekend. That's why I have these little losses because I had to close it over the weekend. But let me walk you guys through what happened. Okay, so my first trade, Euro GBP. I think this was the sell that I showed you guys. Remember the video if you guys saw about, it was about a month or and a half ago. It's already been so long, but I was just so focused on trading. Ever since I created my last video, I probably entered over 50 to 80 trades. And as you can see here, my first trade ever, I followed my rules exactly and I still lost because the limit you can lose in a day is only 5,000. So I had to close out at 4,900. I believe this one came back and hit to take profit, but like I said, my account wasn't able to go past that with FTMO, so I had to close it. So Euro GBP, why did I buy here? I did not buy it through revenge trading. My rules met for a buy, so with my strategy, even though I'm holding a sell, I can do a buy for a short term. But even then, this one, Euro GBP for this month, I don't know. This is my first time trading the January, which is the beginning of the year. So I'm not sure that made a difference into why I lost here. So, anyways, yeah, I had a rough start with my account, and next year I'm gonna see if I'm just gonna trade on demo next year on January, beginning of January, to see if it's the beginning of the month that the strategy or the market moves differently. I don't want to risk it again. But when I lost this one, there was the FO FOMC news. It was all day, so now I avoid trading if there are any pair that has news during that day. Uh, yeah. So, anyways, you can see here I started to have some wins, and I started to have some wins, but they were just little wins. Except this one was a big win. I started to build my account back up, and you can see here some losses. So after the thing though with trading, if you guys know, I don't know if you guys fall victim to it as well as for me, but once, even though my account, if you guys follow my journey, you guys can see that I won consistently about 15 to 25 trades in a row. And then right when I have one loss, I change up my strategy. Why did I lose? Why did I lose? But you shouldn't, or at least for me, I'm not going to change my strategy. I'll probably make another video on it. But as of right now, I take record of all my trades. And I'm part of the mid to 100 trades, and I've only lost about 10 trades. So if I just stay consistent with my strategy with the same risk management, right now I would have been up about $10,000. But now I'm actually down. Since I lost this account, I lost about $600 only money that I've invested. But I'll show you guys in a little bit my live accounts. I'll make that into another video. I'm just going to show you guys my FTMO accounts. So as you can see here, another loss, another loss. So this is when I started to really doubt my strategy, even though I consistently won. There's a lot of people I see on YouTube that only want to show you their wins. And obviously in Forex, man, I can just show you guys all my wins and show you guys, oh, I'm doing great, you know, and show you guys all these great things, and then you guys would just think that Forex is easy, and Forex is just straight up wins, wins, wins. A lot of people I see online, they only show you, oh, like I won 10,000 today, or I won $500 today, and they make you think that they're a successful trader. I'm not sure because they don't really even show their long term trades. So how can you determine that they are a successful trader? So at least for me, I like to see somebody that shows consistent long term trading profits, not just daily wins, because it doesn't matter if you win a day. It's like you play blackjack. You win 21 once. Now you're not a professional blackjack player. You just got lucky. Or it's not even consistently winning, right? So as you can see here, I just kept having big losses and the little wins. Changing up my strategy. I believe these are over the weekend losses. I had to close it over the weekend. So I had some little wins. I kept closing them out, and my strategy was not following my rules, right? So, like I said, I had a losing streak, and that really messed up my psychology of trading. But now that I went back and reviewed all my trades, I realized I just need to stay consistently with my trades and my strategy and my trading rules. And right now I'll be up about $10,000. Like I said, I'll break that down to you guys in another video. But yeah. So yeah, so here I was already, my account was already pretty low, and I wasn't even able to make enough money. So losing, small wins, and my last I just went big because I'm like, okay, I might as well just start another FTMO account. So bam, I lost my account, and why did I lose it? Is because a losing streak. I'll say I lost about 2 trades in a row, then I won one, I lost some. So I had a bad losing streak. It made me doubt my strategy. But I went back and reviewed all these trades, and I realized, like I said, just stay consistent with your strategy and with your strategy and your risk management. Risk management is a big thing with trading. Okay, it's not just about the strategy. Risk management is probably even more important than the strategy itself, at least for my strategy that I'm doing. Okay. So this was my live funded account. Let me show you guys the other two. Well, the other two is basically just the same thing. I just mirrored it to these two accounts. So I lost these two FTMO challenges as well because I was just copying these trades over here to this one, and basically I just lost. It's basically just the exact same trades and the same reason why I lost these challenges. But as you can see here with these two accounts, they're still ongoing. But I did lose a couple of trades already. So these two are just the same. I'm just entering the exact same trades, but I'll open it for you guys to see what's going on. So today is February 24th. On the 26th, it's going to end. So I only have 2 days left, and I need to make 2,000 just to break even. Because if you break even, and then they give you another free account. You can see here I was down to 8,000 maximum loss in the day, or max loss, not in the day, but max loss in my account, and I was able to bring it back up to balance rate 48, basically 48,000. So I just need to make 2 trades of 1,000 each. I'm gonna do a little higher risk so I can get back to break even since I only have 2 days. So I'm hoping the next 2 days I'll get 2 trades to hit take profit, which is pretty reliable. You see here, lost these. I'm following my rules exactly. This is after I realized and went back to look at my data and realized, okay, I just need to stick to a strategy. So these losses, yes, they're big losses, but these I like to make little wins, a lot of little wins for me, and that will cover up my big losses. So I'm basically doing the opposite of what majority of people teaches, but I mean majority of people loses in trading. So doing a little different because if you just follow the crowd, you're gonna get the same results. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but there's a lot of way to be profitable in forex, and that's just the way that I'm gonna go about it. So yeah, so the next couple of days, I'm gonna start becoming more consistent with posting on here. So make sure you guys subscribe and follow my journey because I'm gonna keep trading until I become profitable. Right now, I'm almost about to be profitable on my live account. Probably tomorrow, I'm gonna drop another video showing you guys my live account, and it's a lot more exciting than FTMO because it's more strict with my strategy, meaning I can hold it over the weekend without worrying about my account being closed because everything's just open for me to do. I can hold it over the weekend. I can trade over news, and it's just more opportunities for me. Okay, but hit that subscribe, comment down below, hit the like, and you guys can see that live video tomorrow. Okay, thank you guys for watching.